If you are wondering how to stream Spotify using your TV, well, continue watching this video to find out.
Open the Spotify app and you will see numerous songs and albums available. Choose the song you want to play. In my case, I want to listen to Dua Lipa. You will see this screen after playing a song. Now, on the lower left part of your screen, click this logo that means available devices. You will see that you are currently listening on your phone. However, it also detects your nearby Chromecast device, so click on that. After a few seconds of connecting, the music will now play on your TV. Take note that changing the music will not disconnect Spotify from Google Chromecast. As you can see, we are listening on our bedroom TV and changing the song wouldn't affect it. To disconnect Chromecast from Spotify, all you have to do is to click the devices button, then listen to the music using your phone.
If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ring that notification bell. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below. See you next time! Bye!